Yan, kararating lang ni Wondertatay.
Hello guys.
Siya naman yung kakain.
It's hungry time. It's hungry time.
You try, please.
Look at
Siya
that.
naman, saglit lang to guys. Sisingit lang natin siya.
What's the name of that?
I don't know also eh. So, drop in the comment below. I don't know also, but that's my favorite when I'm young.
Didn't you say the name?
It's okay. They can tell us soon.
What was the name?
I forgot na.
You gonna sit there?
It's okay. You here. You there.
What was the
Because I
name,
eat
babe?
already with Ki-chan.
What was the name? Baby, move the camera. I'm gonna forget. Sorry. Alright. What can I eat? There.
Of course, use your mouth and your...
I'm gonna eat here like this. Alright, so what is this?
Hindi ko na siya bibigyan ng karne.
What did you say it was?
Tomato.
Ito with egg, oh.
The name.
It's okay, they're gonna tell us later.
Why don't you know the name?
Pinasasakit mo na naman ulo ko eh.
It was like Tulagulu or some shit.
What?
What was the name?
Sige na, ilit na lang. Problema mo pa, sumakit na nga ulo ko kakaisip kanina eh.
Yeah, the kaasa kagi. Mmm.
What is it?
Ki-chan like it. He eat a lot too.
Yeah?
With the fish. You try with fish like that.
Oh.
Because we already hungry, so we cannot wait to eat.
Did you make the sauce?
What sauce? This one. This is the sauce. With fish, you try like this. Oh. This one is yours. This one, diba?
Yeah, swallow the fish bone.
And then put the fish and then rice.
Okay.
Use your hand na lang kasi.
Yeah, I'm using my hand.
Don't get burned.
Mm.
Like that.
Mm.
How is it?
Good. It's good, guys.
What score?
This one? This is
Nag-isip pa? Sa palaka, hindi.
this is 7 out of 10.
O diba? Mas mataas yung score ng palaka.
7 out of 10. It's good. You know what I like, babe?
What?
Meat.
Yeah, I know. That's why you want meat. You need this too, not always beef.
Yeah, you just told me.
Tomato and egg. You're gonna be shut up.
No, babe. You had the name. It's like Tulalulalu or something.
Yung tulalulal. Tulalulal your head.
Here we go. Remove the bones so I don't die choking on a bone. You're gonna be happy if I'm dead. It has the baby shrimp in there, right?
Yes.
In here?
Yeah.
So it has baby shrimp, tomato, eggs. There's egg in there, right?
Yes.
So it has
Garlic and onion.
Right? I like.
And this is your expensive meat.
Oh my god.
Excuse me, guys.
Wow. You get some.
No, it's okay. I'm fine. I'm full. I like this one. I like rich food than poor food.
Sharpie shadow. 9 out of 10.
So the front is still yun?
But if you give me a kiss here, It's a 10 out of 10.
Okay.
Did you see that, guys? You give me a kiss here.
Oh, you didn't shave. I told you.
I'm gonna shave later, bro.
Gusto kong i-ano yung mukha niya, guys. Alagaan din.
You see that? She's not gonna give me a kiss. Then the food is gonna be 9 out of 10.
It's okay. Ito lang tayo, guys. Para may kakwentuhan siya. How's the meat? Diba? Ano lang to, guys? Hindi ko nilagyan ng mantika. Naluto lang. Inano ko lang siya. Mahilig naman siya sa hilaw eh. Yung parang rare. Kasi pag nilutong mabuti to, titigas siya. Gusto ko ulit kumain.
Get a lot more of the...
This one!
Wow.
I had this. That's cold.
Oh my god. Tastes good cold.
So hot, it's not good taste.
I don't know.
Wait na this one. Yan, ganyan lang siya. 5 minutes lang to, guys. Ay, 7 minutes already. So fast.
Yeah.
I eat with kitchen. It takes 12 minutes.
So you're okay. So kitchen like this, huh? That's good. I dropped a piece of fish.
I'm gonna clean that later. If you don't want, I can clean you.
Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Nanay.
Hindi na naman nagsishave. Mukha na namang gusgusin.
Goose-goosin. What does that mean?
You look handsome. You're not shaving. Gusgusin.
What's that?
Yes. I don't know in English. Okay, you can eat.
Thanks. Good meat. Meat is life.
What you gonna tell to them? Shout out kila ate.
Oh, yeah. What kind of fish is it? The herring, right? What's the name of that?
Fish.
The name of the fish,
I
right?
don't know why you always asking about the name. I don't know. Just I buy it. I think it's good for that.
You're so smart.
Diba? Tarong ng pangalan. Soon you're gonna cook kare-kare, ha?
No.
They want you to cook that challenge, and then
No.
you need to eat that too.
No. That's the one thing that I don't like.
You need to eat.
There's just a bowl of peanut butter.
You need to try nga. Show them that you said you're not gonna beat, they not gonna beat you. They challenging you nga eh. This is the hunt. You're so fancy, babe. You said they cannot beat you. Now you're saying. So they won.
I don't like that one.
So guys, he's saying you don't like kare-kare.
It just tastes like peanut butter, you know?
You need to try again.
If I want peanut butter, I'm gonna eat a peanut butter sandwich or something, you know?
You need to try again. You cook for them. You're the chef every Saturday. You eat your meat na. It's gonna get cold.
Bro. My God.
Tagal mo pang kainin. Pakipot ka pa.
Oh, look, we have the leaf.
Yes. One? You eat the rice.
Dude, calm down.
I'm touching your face.
I'm
Touching your face.
not. What's wrong with you? Mmm. That's good.
What? What are you doing?
What? I'm looking for meat.
Menu!
I don't want to eat the whole thing.
Kichang and me, we eat 5 pieces nun.
Oh, you guys are so salvaje.
What do you mean? You eat your rice. This one mo, ano, not so picky.
Wow. A leaf.
He's a goat.
Hey. There it is, guys.
Mm. Diet siya sa meat. Ano lang yun, 6 pieces. Di talaga sila matakaw sa rice. Mas matakaw sila sa ulam. Gusto niya kasi ng ano, dahon. Yan. Siyempre may Yakult pang matanda.
Yakult. Your cooking is so good, babe. Thank you.
You say with Kijang, lagi silang nagpapasalamat na dalawa sa pagkain. Bakit kaya?
Alright.
Yan. Huli na siya nagmukbang guys kasi late na siya umuwi. Anong oras na tinapos na kasi yung trabaho niya. So, please like and subscribe and please share this video guys. Keep supporting Wonder Nanay and Wonder Tatay. Panggatas lang po. Bye!
Bye-bye.